Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to Redesign. So by the title of this video, you probably already know that it's going to be about the 6 easiest hairstyles that I came up for a headband. So if you want to know how to do this, keep on watching. So for the first headband look, I'm going to be using a hairband and this headband from Target. I got it in a package. It was only $5.99. It came with like 5 or 6. So I'm using my real hair, no hair extensions. So I'm going to take the rubber band, turn around, and pull all of my hair back down in a low ponytail. Then I'm gonna take it and make it a messy bun. And then I'm going to take this headband and make sure all my hair is in there first. And then I'm going to see, you can pull it up more. You can leave it like this, like a little updo thing, or you can pull it out and leave the little messy bun like that. So that is the first look. Now on to the second. So for the second one, I'm going to be using this hairband again, this headband, and it's a little bit different. So I'm going to turn around, and I'm going to put it the same way back in a low ponytail. And I'm just going to leave it in that ponytail, if you can see that. Then I am going to take the headband, make sure it's all out, and I am going to put it back just like that. And there you have it. And then I'm just pulling out a little bit of my wispy hairs, just like that. So that is the second look. I'll turn around so you can see the ponytail. I pulled it out, just like that. So on to the third. So for the third headband look style, I'm going to be using this headband again, but I'm going to pull my hair all up in a ponytail and see if it works. Just like that. I don't know if you can see the back. I have little hairs that are still growing in, because I just trimmed my hair. Now I'm going to put the rubber band, just like this, tie it around. I call this the tight pony look with the headband. So it's a little headband. Oh, I totally missed the side right here. And that's okay. If you can use a bobby pin if you want to pin it up, but I'm just showing you guys. So now I'm going to take this headband, put it around my head, pull the headband through, and there you have it, the ponytail. So now on to the fourth one. So for the fourth headband look, I'm gonna use this hairband, and I'm gonna pull it up from the front and make a big messy bun, if I can try. You might want to use a brush to like pull it all together, unless you want it messy. Then you can do it like that. Then I'm going to tie it around, just like that. Then I'm going to, on the third one, I'm going to wrap it around, just like that. And I'm going to make sure the flyaways are down. I don't know if I have a bobby pin or not here. Oh yes, I do. So I'm gonna use a bobby pin and pin up. See how I'm holding the hair? Pin it up just like that. Oh, I need another. Pin it. See. Here's another one. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Grab it like that. Just pull it through. Oops, I missed the hair. So I'm going to fix it like that. And there's that little messy bun I have. Then I'm gonna stick the headband around it. So I call this the messy bun headband look. Won't even go on my head. Just like that. Make sure it's all up. And there you have it. And you want to make sure that you have all of stuff up, but this is a messy bun look. So on to the next one. Hey guys, for the fifth look, I did put my hair extensions in and I curled them to show you what this look would be like if you had long hair. So I picked this up at Walmart the other day for $3.88. This little top knot or turban headband thing from Walmart. It's in style, it's super cute, and I like it. So, and it was only $3.88. So, oh, there we go. Okay. So it goes like this. I'm just gonna see how the back is, just like that. And the front is like this. I'm just going to put it around my head, just like so. Super cute. Like, and I'll show you what the back looks like. See what's back. Kind of like the hippie kind of style from the 60s, but I like it a lot. So for now, on to the sixth headband look. So for the sixth headband look, I'm going to take this rubber band. I'm just going to pull up a little bit of my hair and make a top knot in my hair. So I'm just going around like that. times. And I'm just pulling through. Got some hair stuck in there, I think. So I'm gonna fix it a little bit. If you can't see that. And then I'm just gonna take this headband again. This is called the top knot look. If you guys don't know what this is, I'm just going to pull it around like that. And there you have it, the top knot look. I really like this look quite a bit. So there you have it. I'm going to come back with the end result. So I'm back with the headband styles, 6 easiest headband styles. I hope that you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you. Please like this video. Please also don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'm trying to get 10,000 views by the end of Friday of this week. So please keep on viewing, and please don't forget to subscribe.